Oh, welcome back. On to part 2 of getting my caliper brackets done. You guys down? Maybe right here? There you go. And we'll get these drilled out. And there we go. Got them all bored out there. Now what I'm going to do here is I got to get back from break here, and at lunch I'm going to weld up my spacers, and then we'll take it over to the media blaster and get them blasted up so I can powder coat them in the next couple of days. Stick around.
3 hours later.
Welcome back. Okay, what I'm going to do is get my spacers and weld on here so I can then send it off to media blasting. So I'll set you off over here. You guys can watch me make sparks and smoke. Alright, now I've got her tacked together here. Here we go. I really do love this old welder we have here at the shop. Does a really good job of laying welds. Anyways, I'm gonna let this cool off and run over the drill press, and I'm going to run through these holes here where the bolts are just to clean them up a little bit, run them off to media blast, and then degrease them and powder coat them when I get home. See you soon. Oh, here we go. They're all blasted up, cleaned up. I just need to chamfer this one on the inside to clear the weld on the flange. And give a little more cleanup on these. They should be ready for powder coating. So stick around. We'll fire the old oven up. Alright, it's been a couple of days later. Got my brackets bolted up, my caliper bolted in. This is what the brackets look like. That's what it looks like. Just a bare bracket. Fits real well. Good clearance. Looks like hit everything on center perfectly. Rolls over well enough, but there's my late model brake adaptation conversion. Stick around. We'll talk about getting this truss welded up and the axle perches on. See you soon.